Hi, you catch me in the morning. This is Claire Laman. I wanted to do a video today to show you exactly what I'm doing in the morning regarding heavy metal detox. So, what I do is I take a bottle of water. I just drink a little bit out of it so I get more room for it, and then I'm gonna put some supplements in it. I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in it. I'm going to put some amino acids. See? What I did is I bought those plastic boxes which are hermetic. They don't get the air to come in. I have many of them. That is glutathione. I wrote on it what it is. I got the content from bulk amino acids like this glutathione, and I put it in those boxes. The reason why is because it's a lot easier to get the powder out of boxes than out of plastic bags, and I use a little measuring cup like that. And so, for example, I take the glutathione, which is very, very important for heavy metal detox. Especially mercury and aluminum, probably lead. So, and I put quite a bit of amount of glutathione because it's very light powder. Glutathione is very light. It's I don't know how to compare it. It's lighter than a snowflake, and so, since it has a very big volume, this amount is probably like half a gram, because this is very light. So I put quite a bit large amount of glutathione, and the reason why I buy bulk instead of in pills is because here it's pure glutathione. So you probably have in a bag like that, you probably have, here you go, 20 grams. 20 grams. So you can imagine the whole bag being 20 grams. Now, if you buy a bottle of glutathione, I don't have it anymore, but it's about a bottle big like that, you will pay maybe $50 for it, and you will realize that if you look at the content of glutathione in it, you probably have total 3 grams of glutathione in the whole bottle, if you make the count. So $50, 3 grams, 20 grams of glutathione probably costs you $7 less, and you need a lot of amino acids. This is one of the expensive one and the most efficient one. So that's the way to go. And it's a lot more efficient anyway to get it without the little gel thing. This is the little gel things where you put like the glutathione in it. So so what else do I use? I use taurine. Now, taurine is used by bodybuilders. Same thing. I got it in bulk. Everything I'm gonna show you is I bought it in bulk like that. Taurine. So it's used by bodybuilders. So it gives you an energy kick. And being an amino acid, it helps you with your detox. Amino acids are great to flush heavy metal out of your body. So I put a little bit of taurine in it, a little bit less than glutathione because it's heavier powder. You can just see it just looking at it. And then I put aspartic acid. Here it goes, aspartic acid. You can the powders quite look different. This one looks like a shiny powder, almost like there's like sparks in there. So I just put like the equivalent of a measuring cup, which is 1 gram. Certain of them you have to be careful. I will tell you the one you have to be careful not to put too much to not get diarrhea. Glutamic acid, this one is interesting. It looks like little beads. So it's heavier as well than all the ones before. It's up in the bottle. Some of them are acid. Some of them you put them under the tongue to get the maximum effect, but some of them you can't. Per experience, all of the previous ones so far you can put them under the tongue, like L-cysteine. It's a L-cysteine amino acid. This one looks very shiny. I don't know if the camera will see it, but yeah. Here you go. So you can put them under the tongue, under, not on top of it, under, and let it dissolve. This one is not the best one. This one is like very salty. L-lysine or lysine, whatever you want to say it. The one you don't want to put under the tongue are coming up, and the reason why is just because they're too acid. They could give you blisters if you're not careful. Okay, where is it? It's hiding. It's probably because I haven't been using it for a while. Alright, I'm gonna tell you the one they are. They are the vitamin C, aspartic acid. It's well, you know vitamin C. It's lemon taste. And so once I'm done doing that, I shake it up. Shake it up because the powder goes in the bottom. So you can see they don't dissolve very easily. So usually after I finish the bottle, sometimes I even have to add a little bit more water in the bottle and shake it up again. But I like to complete this with two important ingredients, so you can actually do that every day if you want to. I put some Emergen'C. I don't know if you heard of it. It's a bunch of vitamins and minerals in a pocket. The reason why I do that is just because it tastes like orange or whatever you like it to taste. So it's actually give an interesting taste to the whole mixture, and it doesn't discourage you. Okay, you shake it up, and then important one too. I like it's grapefruit extract. The reason why you put grapefruit extract in here, you put like 10 drops. This is a little bitter, so you don't want to put more than that. You might even want to put less to start with, like 3. Up, put in the bottle, and then this is important because heavy metal toxicity creates an environment in your body which is prone to parasites. Because your immune system is not working as well as it could. Your body is not getting rid of parasites that we all have. Don't be a fool and think, oh, I don't have parasites. We all have them. The reason, if you have heavy metal toxicity, you might have an infestation of them, and then you wonder where all your energy is going. Well, all your energy is going into the bellies of all little parasites, and they take all the nutrients, and you don't have anything left. And so by the time you digest and you finish digestion, you ate all those things to rejuvenate you, and then they all just help the parasites to proliferate more. And you don't have anything left. And the more you have parasites, the more they take those minerals before you actually process them. And so it's very important to put some grapefruit seed extract. This is one is called GSE. It's a good one. Liquid concentrate grapefruit extract. And parasites don't like bitter environments. That's why it's probably efficient, and it's natural, and it's very, very efficient. So up to that, cheers. Well, tastes better than Gatorade. So what also I like to do, I can drink that in, I take my time. I may take half of it, and then I go to work and I finish the other half, or whatever I'm drinking, or whatever how thirsty I am. And then you have something glycine. That's a very good thing, and that tastes very good. Glycine under the tongue, that gives you a boost. That's kind of a neat thing. Your palate knows what's good for you. See? If it dissolves fast, you have the feeling, gut feeling saying, oh, That's good for me. Good stuff. Glycine. What else I usually take in the morning? Potassium. Potassium. This one comes in a cap. So I shake like that and drink it with my cocktail. Time is running out, so thank you very much for following.